Okay, I have another demo video I'm working on that you'll see on my channel soon, but I need a title for it. The topic is AI wrote my true crime script, Elizabeth Smart. I want to include her name because it's a trending topic right now. So I had my other titles here from before, so you can always save those, but let's just generate titles. And then I'm going to go ahead and put with YouTubeCreatorAI.com. It's going to add it to my description here. So give this just a second. But like I said, I use this tool for all of my titles. I just put in what the video topic is about, and it's going to give me the titles and description here. So here are the titles. It ranks them for me here. I may go ahead and use this one because Elizabeth Smart is in the title, and that'll be a popular topic. But any of these will work here. Description and keywords. It gives me my description here. It gives me long tail keywords, short tail keywords, and a suggested file name. So check it out, YouTube Creator AI. You can do it for your long form or your short form videos, and it takes all of the guesswork out of making sure you have a viral title.